Let's fix the error code 0x8096002A on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are getting this error code, here are a few commands that you can use. So first of all, search for command prompt and run it as administrator. So here are the 4 commands that you can use. The first one is DISM online cleanup image for scan health, check health and restore health. Once you have run all the command, lastly you have to press SFC scan now. This way all the corrupted files can be scanned and your error code can be solved. Once you have run all the command, the next step that you can follow is go to Windows Update Settings. Once you have gone to Update Settings, go to Advanced Options and then search for optional updates. If there are any updates available, make sure to click on download and install. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.